In Colombo, you would normally not see this bird in this smelly sewer. There, we found some food worth swallowing. But even for this sewer, it has rained and the bird can hunt. The extra water makes things much fresher and less smelly. Just look at those green booties that contrast against the black legs. And look at what it does with its feet, agitating the mud beneath to find prey or other food. Look at that fine, feathery plumage. This explains why the birds were hunted for so long to adorn heads. Their finer feathers are described as powder down. The little egret is found throughout most of the old world, even in Europe, and not just here in Sri Lanka. We are pleased to bring this vision of this attractive bird seen at such close range. Is someone staring at me?